What's up, everyone? It's Joe Biesemeyer with Bounce House 101. Today we're talking Slide Slick. It's December and it's really cold outside, and all of our water slides aren't going out wet right now, but they do go out all the time in the fall and winter for indoor events. They go inside schools, gymnasiums, churches. We've set them up in barns before. A lot of times we roll up these water slides still a little bit damp, so the slide might still be a little bit sticky. The best thing to use on your slide liners is this Slide Slick, and this is great because you can purchase it online through Leisure Activities or from slideslick.com. It's very easy to apply. It's just a lubricant so it doesn't leave a film or any residue at all on your slide liner. It's really simple to use. You easily just go to the top of your slide and start spraying side to side the entire width of your slide liner. Just work your way down all the way to the bottom of the slide. You don't have to do this every week or every month. We bought a case of this Slide Slick from Leisure Activities about 2 years ago. It costs about $9 a can. Each case comes with about 12 cans, so it'll last a real long time. You don't even really have to apply a bunch of this for it to be effective. As you can see, Slide Slick's an awesome product. It'll help protect your slide liners year after year. We've used that product for years now and have never had an issue. Check it out at slideslick.com. Also, feel free to reach out to me at bouncehouse101.com if you have any questions. I can't wait to hear from you.